Hi there, today is Wednesday, March 25th. We are on Module 6, Lesson 3. Our objective for this lesson is to use math drawings to represent equal groups and relate to repeated addition. So in Lesson 1, we were using the sentence frame, there are blank groups of blank. And we were using our manipulatives to create equal groups and to use that sentence frame to explain the arrangement we made. In Lesson 2, we took those arrangements and we wrote repeated addition sentences to find the total of how many pieces there were altogether. So we're going to start there and then we're going to add in the second step of our repeated addition sentence to help find the total. I'm going to go ahead and start with 4 groups of 3. Now, if you're doing this along with me, you can grab some manipulatives that you have at home, whatever is handy. Get creative. We're going to make 4 groups of 3. Okay, I have my 4 groups of 3 here. Group 1, Group 2, Group 3, Group 4. I've pushed my extras off to the side. I'm going to write my repeated addition sentence to match what I created. In my first group, I have 3. In my second group, I have 3. In my third group, I have 3. And in my fourth group, I have 3. To find the total, my sentence would be 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. Now in Lesson 2, this is where we stopped. Today we're going to take this one step further and we're going to actually join the addends together. The addends are the numbers that we are adding and we're going to make a quicker or more efficient math sentence to find the total. Right now I have 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. I can join my first 3 plus 3 and I know that that makes 6. And I can do the same thing with my second 3 plus 3. I know that also makes 6. Now I haven't changed my picture at all. I've not taken any counters away. I've not added any new counters. So if I add 6 plus 6, which is my new number sentence, and a doubles fact, I will get a total of 12 counters. Now if I go back to my original number sentence, 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3, I would also get 12 counters. That's important to note here. We don't want different answers. We're just trying to find a more efficient way to add those numbers together in a quicker number sentence. Okay? I'm going to go ahead and clear my board and get ready for my second example. This time I'm going to be creating 6 groups of 2. So if you're working along with me, go ahead and use whatever material you have to create your 6 groups of 2. Okay, here I have my 6 groups of 2. Below them, I'm going to write the amount in each group and my repeated addition number sentence. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. If I were to add up all of the numbers in my number sentence or count up my counters, I would have a total of 12 altogether. 6 groups of 2 makes 12. Now I'm looking for a more efficient way to group those addends together. So instead of 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, I'm going to join my first 2 plus 2, and I know that that makes 4. I'm going to join my second 2 plus 2 to make another 4. And I'm going to join my third group of 2 plus 2 to make a third group of 4. So now my new and more efficient number sentence is 4 plus 4 plus 4. I know that equals 12, which shows me it's the correct answer because my answer hasn't changed. Again, I didn't add any counters. I didn't take any away. I'm not looking for a different answer, just a faster way to count them up and find the total. My third and final example is going to be 5 groups of 3. So I'm going to clear my board and get ready to make 5 groups of 3. Go ahead and do this with me. 1, group 2, Okay, here I have my 5 groups of 3. I'm going to start by writing my repeated addition number sentence. 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. If I were to add up 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3, or count up all of my counters, I would get a total of 15. 5 groups of 3 makes 15. I'm looking for a more efficient way to group my addends, so I'm going to start by joining some together. I know 3 plus 3 makes 6, plus 3 plus 3 makes 6, plus, this time I only have 1 3 left over. I don't have another addend to pair it with, and that's okay. It's just going to drop below and stay by itself. I can't turn it into a 6 because I don't have another 3 to pair it with, and I can't change what my drawing shows. I know 6 plus 6 makes 12, plus 3 more equals 15. Again, my answers match. I know that I found a more efficient way to add my addends without changing what the answer should be. That was our 3rd example. Now I'm going to clear my board and walk you through our daily word problem. Here is our word problem. I'll bring it just a little bit closer. It says, markers come in packs of 2. If Bennett has 6 packs of markers, how many markers does he have in all? I'm going to stop. I'm going to follow my read, draw, write method. First, I read the problem, but a couple of things stand out to me that I want to circle so I don't lose track of what it's asking me to do. The first thing that stands out to me is packs of 2. In this case, packs is another way to say groups. The markers are grouped in 2. They come in packs of 2. The other thing that I see that's really important here is that Bennett has 6 packs. He doesn't just have 1 pack of markers, he has 6, and we know they come in packs of 2. Part A says, draw groups to show Bennett's packs of markers. Okay, I'm going to use my counters to demonstrate. I'm going to create a pack of 2, another pack of 2, another pack of 2, slide these over, another pack of 2, pack of 2, and pack of 2. I'm going to push my extras off to the bottom. Here is my drawing to show how Bennett has 6 packs of 2 markers. Part B is asking, write a repeated addition equation to match. So below, I'm going to put 2 in the first group, plus 2 in the second group, plus 2 in the third group, plus 2 in the fourth group, plus 2 in the fifth group, plus 2 in the 6th group. And part C says group addends into pairs and add to find the total. This is where I'm going to find a more efficient way to find the total of markers that Bennett has. I know 2 plus 2 makes 4, 2 plus 2 makes 4, and 2 plus 2 makes 4. My new repeated addition sentence is 4 plus 4 plus 4 for a total of 12 markers. That's how many markers Bennett has all together. If I was going to take this one step further and explain my answer in a sentence, it would be Bennett has 12 markers. Thanks for watching, 2nd graders. Down below the video, in the video description, I'm going to include this word problem so that you can see it a little bit more clearly, and you can work on it in your work journal if you'd like to. Thank you for checking in. Come back tomorrow for Module 6, Lesson 4. See you then.